Welcome students. Myself Patel Hiren Kumar A, lecturer in Mechanical Department from Vallabhbudi Polytechnic, Navsari. Today we will learn a subject design of machine element which code is 3351902 and we will discuss about design of machine element. Let's we start. Introduction. What is design? Design is to formulate a plan, satisfy a particular need, and to create something with physical reality. Realization of a concept or idea into a configuration. Design is the creation of a plan or convention for the construction of an object, system, or measurable human interaction. What is machine? Machine is defined as a combination of resisting body with successfully constrained relative motion which is used transfer other form of energy into mechanical energy or transmit and modify available energy to do some useful work. An apparatus using mechanical power and having several parts, each with a definite function and together performing a particular task. Semi or fully automated device that magnifies a human physical and or mental capability in a performing one or more operation. What is machine design? Machine is a combination of several machine elements arranged to work together as a whole to accomplish specific purpose. Machine design involves designing the element and arranging them optimally to obtain some useful work. Machine design is the purpose of engineering design. A machine is made up for mechanisms that work together to satisfy the requirement of what the machine needs to accomplish. Here, classification of machine, types of design. So, here first is adaptive design, second is development design, and third is new design. So, there is a three types of design are available. So, first adaptive, second development, and third new. So, we can study a detailed study in next slide. Types of design. Adaptive design. The designer work is concerned with adaptation of existing design. The designer only makes a minor alternation or modification in the existing design of the product. Development design. This type of design need considerable scientific training and design ability in order to modify the existing design into a new idea by adopting a new material or different method of manufacture. The designer starts from the existing design, but final product may differ quite medibly from the original product. New design. This type of design need lots of research, technology, ability, and creative thinking. Classification of machine design. Types of machine design based on method. There is a three types of method. One is rotational design, second is empirical design, and third is industrial design. So, in next slide we will discuss about these three type of method in detail. Rotational design, types of design based on method. So first is rotational design, based on determining the stresses and strains of component and thereby deciding their dimension. This type of design depends upon mathematical formula of principle of machines. Second, empirical design. This type of design depends upon empirical formula based on the practice and past experience. Industrial design. This type of design depends upon the production aspect to manufacture any machine component in the industry based on industrial consideration and norms wise. Market survey, external look, production faculties, low cost use of existing standard products, etc. Factor to be considered in machine design. What device or mechanism to be used? So first of all, to decide the relative arrangement of the constituent element. Second is material. Third is force on the element, size, shape and space requirement and weight of the product. Next point, factor to be considered in machine design. This is the most important thing. So first, we are discussing how will it operate, reliability and shape aspect, inspectability, maintenance, cost and existing of designer product. So here general procedure in machine design. So please carefully see this. First of all, in design of any design or machine design, first we need or aim, then synthesis or mechanism, then analysis of forces and then material selection, after that design of element, after that modification and detailed drawing and at last the production. Thank you very much.